Imagine an AI that doesn't just chat, it acts. Meet RTRVR.AI, the browser-based agent that's changing everything. It's not a chatbot or a server tool. It lives in your browser, using your sessions, your cookies, and your context. RTRVR.AI fills out forms, sends emails, and manages your online accounts. No coding, no APIs, just pure action. When it launched, the internet went wild. People watched it navigate messy websites, handle pop-ups, and adapt in real time. Unlike OpenAI or Google's assistants, RTRVR.AI doesn't just give instructions. It does the work for you, right on your screen. It's a browser extension that sees the web exactly as you do, using your digital footprint to blend in. No special access needed. It clicks, types, and scrolls just like you would. This integration means it can perform tasks without triggering security alerts or getting blocked. Think of it as a super intelligent co-pilot for your browser. Early benchmarks show RTRVR.AI outperforms traditional automation tools, completing real-world tasks faster and more accurately. The game has changed. Personal AI is no longer just about answers, but about real action. RTRVR.AI is leading the charge into a new era of automation. The future of work just got a lot more interesting. So, what is RTRVR.AI? It's an AI agent that automates tasks directly in your browser, no separate app, no coding required. Just install the extension, describe your task in plain English, and RTRVR.AI figures out the rest. The magic? It runs locally, using your active sessions to see and interact with the web exactly as you do. No passwords or special permissions needed, it simply observes and acts. This local execution gives it unmatched accuracy and privacy. RTRVR.AI can jump between tabs, copy info from one site, and paste it into another, handling multi-step workflows with ease. Powered by advanced models like Google's Gemini Flash, it processes visual information and makes decisions in milliseconds. It's fast, responsive, and can handle several tasks at once. The result: automation that's powerful, intuitive, and finally accessible to everyone. RTRVR.AI bridges the gap between what you want and what gets done online. True browser automation is now a reality. RTRVR.AI doesn't just automate, it mimics human behavior. It moves the cursor, clicks buttons, and types like a real person, making it nearly undetectable to anti-bot systems. This human-like touch lets it bypass security that blocks traditional bots. For example, give it a list of leads, and it'll fill out your CRM forms, field by field, just as you would. It handles drop-downs, checkboxes, and even complex forms by understanding context. Need to send personalized emails? RTRVR.AI can visit LinkedIn profiles, find recent posts, and craft unique messages for each contact. It reads from one source, acts on another, and adapts to changing web layouts. Recruiters, marketers, students, anyone can use it to automate tedious, multi-step tasks. RTRVR.AI isn't just following scripts, it's understanding goals and adapting on the fly. It's a digital assistant that truly works like you do. The line between human and AI action is starting to blur. CAPTCHAs are designed to stop bots, but RTRVR.AI has a clever edge. By operating inside your browser, it inherits your reputation, so websites often don't challenge it at all. If a CAPTCHA does appear, its human-like movements can pass simple tests, or it pauses for you to solve tougher ones. This teamwork keeps automation smooth and uninterrupted. Privacy is another game-changer. RTRVR.AI runs entirely on your device. Your data, logins, and browsing never leave your computer. No cloud storage, no external servers. You keep full control and ownership of your information. This makes RTRVR.AI a safe choice for sensitive tasks like banking or confidential work. Unlike server-based AIs, it doesn't use your data for training or monitoring. What happens in your browser stays in your browser. With RTRVR.AI, you get both power and peace of mind. RTRVR.AI isn't just hype, its performance is proven. In benchmarks, it outperformed OpenAI's assistants on real-world web tasks with higher accuracy and faster completion. It adapts to changing layouts, while server-based models struggle. Anyone can use it, no programming needed. Just describe your task, and let RTRVR.AI handle the rest. Sales teams, recruiters, marketers, students, freelancers, everyone can save time and eliminate repetitive work. It democratizes automation, putting powerful AI in everyone's hands. Security and ethics are built in. Block lists prevent misuse, and users approve actions before they happen. RTRVR.AI respects CAPTCHAs and user intent, ensuring responsible automation. This is more than an AI. It's a digital partner that acts on your behalf. By combining human-like behavior, speed, and privacy, RTRVR.AI finally delivers on the promise of smarter digital living. The future of work is here, and it's automated. With RTRVR.AI, your browser just got a whole lot smarter.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.